Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jowar biscuits. These delightful treats are a fantastic, healthy alternative to traditional wheat biscuits, offering a unique flavor and a satisfying crunch. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of Jowar flour, half a cup of softened butter, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and a few tablespoons of milk. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best results. Now, let's get our hands a little messy and create the perfect dough. In a mixing bowl, cream together your softened butter and powdered sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender biscuit. Next, gradually add the Jowar flour along with about 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything gently, then add milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until a soft, pliable dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix. With your dough ready, it's time for the fun part. Shaping. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to an even thickness of about 1/4 inch. This ensures uniform baking. Now, grab your favorite cookie cutters and press out your biscuit shapes. You can make circles, squares, or even stars. Carefully place these on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and get ready to bake. Your kitchen should smell amazing right now. Bake your Jowar biscuits for about 15 to 20 minutes or until their edges turn a beautiful golden brown. Keep a close eye on them as baking times can vary. Once baked, carefully remove them from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This step is essential for achieving that perfect crispness. Once cooled, store them in an airtight container and they'll stay fresh for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade, healthy Jowar biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.